Hey kids, good afternoon. Welcome to your EVS class. So today in our class, let's study some more important things about plant which will make us believe that plants are our green friend and also a true friend. So today in our class, we will study about the uses of plants. Plants are very important for us and also very useful to us as it gives us many useful things apart from being one of the most important source of food. You smart children, you are almost familiar about the useful things that we get from plants. So let's revise them again. So let's start with fibers. Plants gives us fibers. Do you know children what are fibers? Fibers are threads from which textile or cloth material is manufactured. Fibers are used to make cloth that we wear or use it for various purposes. So children, we get fibers from plants. Plants such as cotton and jute gives us fibers. Children, what kind of clothes do we wear in summer? We wear cotton clothes in summer because it is light and comfortable to wear. Cotton is obtained from cotton plant. Have you seen jute material, children? They are commonly used as jute mats, jute bags or sacks. Jute is obtained from jute plant. So children, plants gives us fibers which are used to make threads which are woven into cloths and made into various materials. The next point that makes plant our green friend is that plant gives us fresh air. So children, while studying photosynthesis, we already learned about how plants purify the air around us. Do you remember children? Plants take in harmful gas, carbon dioxide, and convert it into oxygen, purifying the atmosphere around us. Hence, this way, plants gives us fresh air to breathe and purifies our environment and atmosphere. Plants also gives us so many things for everyday use. Like the glue that we use comes from the stem of a plant. The rubber that we use on daily basis comes from the latex of rubber tree. The paper on which we write and the books that we study for gaining knowledge comes from the plants. The perfumes that we love to use we get from flowers of plants like jasmine, rose and lily. The soap and the toothpaste that we use every day are from oils and juices of plants like neem, coconut and cloves. The plant is also the most important source of food for animals and human beings. We eat stems of some plants like potato, onion, ginger, etc. as vegetables. We eat roots of some plants like carrot, radish, beetroot, sweet potato and many more as vegetables also. We eat leaves of some plants like spinach, cabbage, lettuce. The fruits of some plants such as tomatoes, brinjal, ladyfinger are also eaten as vegetables, and flowers of certain plants like cauliflower, broccoli are also eaten as vegetables. We also get cereals and pulses from plants. Do you remember children how important these cereals and pulses are for our growth and development of body? Cereals are the energy-giving food and the pulses are the body-building food required for our growth and development. Plants also gives us oil to cook our food. We get oil from the seeds of plants like mustard, sunflower and coconut. Plants also provide us with spices. What are spices, children? Spices, as we learned before, are the substance that add flavor and taste to our food. Can you recall the name of some spices? Yes, like turmeric, cloves, chilies, etc. are the names of some spices that we get from plant. Tea, coffee, sugar are also obtained from plants. Tea from the leaves of the tea plant, coffee from the seed of the coffee plant, and sugar from the juice of sugarcane stem are the products of plant. Plants also gives us medicine. Some plants like tulsi, neem, eucalyptus, aloe vera have medicinal properties. They are used to treat some health problems like cold, cough, headache, toothache, etc. Plants like oak, pine, teak and sandalwood is used to make furnitures. And children, the pencil that we use to write in our notebook is also made from the wood of the plant. Some parts of the plant, especially the flowers, are used as ornaments for decoration and adornment. During the festivals or any celebrations, people decorate their home with flowers and use flowers as jewelry as well. We love to have fresh flowers in our room for decoration. Trees, which are big plants, are homes to many animals and birds as well. So children, not only human beings but also animals benefit from the plants. So children, this makes our plants the best friend. So children, we should use the products made out of plants wisely and do not waste them, especially the notebooks, the papers, etc. that we write on. We shouldn't waste them or tear them unnecessarily. This way we can avoid deforestation. Deforestation is the cutting down of trees. We need to save tree to save our life. So with this note, let's end our chapter Plants Are Green Friends and make a promise to plant a tree when and wherever possible.